Mastering, I'm Positive, your guide to English confidence. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's small but mighty, I'm positive. It's a versatile expression that adds a punch of certainty to your conversations. Let's explore how you can use this phrase to sound more confident in English. I'm positive means you are absolutely certain about something. It's a way to express no doubt in your mind about what you're saying. But it's not just about certainty. It also conveys a sense of personal assurance. When you say, I'm positive, you're sharing your conviction with others. You can use, I'm positive, in various scenarios. It's perfect when you want to reassure someone that what you're saying is trustworthy. Affirm your commitment or decision about something. Dispel doubts in a conversation, especially if someone is questioning your statement. Let's see, I'm positive, in action. Here are a few examples. Are you sure it's going to rain today? Yes, I checked the forecast, and I'm positive it will. I can't find my glasses anywhere. You left them in the kitchen, I'm positive. Do you think you passed the exam? I'm not just hopeful, I'm positive. English is rich with expressions of certainty. Alongside, I'm positive, you might hear, I'm certain, I'm sure, I have no doubt. These phrases can be used interchangeably, but I'm positive often carries a more personal touch. And that's a wrap. Now you can add, I'm positive, to your English toolkit with confidence. Remember, it's all about being certain and sharing that certainty with others. Happy learning, and stay positive about your English journey.